Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Are you tired of struggling to get those amazing videos from your Mac onto your iPhone? Maybe you filmed something awesome on your MacBook or downloaded a cool movie and want to watch it on the go. Well, today we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to walk you through a super easy guide on how to send videos from your Mac to your iPhone. We'll cover a few different methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. We're talking AirDrop, iCloud Photos, and even using iTunes. Yes, iTunes. But don't worry, we'll make it painless. We'll break it down step by step, so even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll be able to follow along. So grab your Mac and your iPhone, and let's get started. But before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get to it. Section 1. AirDrop Quick and Easy. Alright, let's start with the quickest and easiest method, AirDrop. This is perfect if your Mac and iPhone are nearby. First, make sure both your Mac and iPhone have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Then, long press the Wi-Fi/Bluetooth tile to expand it. Make sure AirDrop is turned on and set to Everyone or Contacts Only, depending on your preference. If you choose Contacts Only, make sure both devices are logged into the same iCloud account or that the sender is in your contacts. Now on your Mac, find the video you want to send. Right-click on the video file and select Share, then choose AirDrop. You should see your iPhone appear in the AirDrop window. Simply click on your iPhone's icon. On your iPhone, you'll see a notification asking if you want to accept the video. Tap Accept, and the video will start downloading to your Photos app. It might take a few seconds or minutes depending on the video size. And that's it. Your video is now on your iPhone. Super simple, right? Section 2. iCloud Photos, Syncing Across Devices. Next up, we have iCloud Photos. This is a great option if you want your videos and photos automatically synced between all your Apple devices. First, make sure you have iCloud Photos enabled on both your Mac and iPhone. On your Mac, go to System Preferences, click on Apple ID, and then make sure Photos is checked under Apps on this Mac using iCloud. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, then tap iCloud, and then Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is toggled on. Now, simply drag and drop your video into the Photos app on your Mac. iCloud Photos will automatically upload the video to iCloud, and it will then sync to your iPhone. This might take some time depending on your internet connection and the video size. Once the video is synced, you'll find it in your Photos app on your iPhone. Keep in mind that using iCloud Photos will use up your iCloud storage, so you might need to upgrade your plan if you're running low. Section 3. Using iTunes or Finder in macOS Catalina and later. Okay, let's talk about iTunes or Finder if you're running macOS Catalina or later. While AirDrop and iCloud Photos are generally easier, this method can be useful in certain situations. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac using a Lightning cable. If prompted, trust the computer on your iPhone. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, open iTunes. If you're using macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. In Finder, your iPhone should appear in the sidebar under Locations. In iTunes, click on the iPhone icon near the top left corner. In Finder, click on your iPhone in the sidebar. Now in iTunes, click on File Sharing in the sidebar. In Finder, click on Files. You'll see a list of apps that support file sharing. This is where it gets a little tricky. You need an app on your iPhone that can receive and play the video file. A popular option is the VLC for Mobile app, which is a free video player. Download and install VLC for Mobile on your iPhone if you don't have it already. Now, in iTunes or Finder, select VLC in the file sharing list. Simply drag and drop your video file into the VLC Documents area. The video will then be copied to your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the VLC app, and you should see your video listed there. Conclusion. And there you have it. 3 easy methods for sending videos from your Mac to your iPhone. AirDrop is the quickest for nearby devices, iCloud Photos offers automatic syncing, and iTunes/Finder is a more manual option. Hopefully, one of these methods works for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And again, if you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to RoamTech for more tech tutorials. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.